Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a brick jointer. This essential tool helps you create professional-looking mortar joints in your brickwork. By shaping the mortar, a jointer not only improves the aesthetic appeal of your wall, but also significantly enhances its resistance to weather and moisture. We will cover everything from selecting the right jointer to mastering the technique for perfect results every time. There are several types of mortar joints, each offering a unique look and function. The concave and V-shaped joints are very popular, providing excellent weather resistance. Raked joints give a deep, shadowed effect, while weathered joints are angled to direct water away from the wall. Choosing the right profile depends on your aesthetic preference and the environmental conditions your masonry will face. Before you begin jointing, proper preparation is key. Wait until the mortar has set enough to be thumbprint hard, meaning it holds an impression but isn't fully cured. Your mortar should be consistently mixed, not too wet or too dry, for optimal workability. Always clean any excess mortar from the brick faces to ensure a crisp, clean joint line. Work in manageable sections to prevent the mortar from drying out too quickly. To achieve a professional finish, hold your brick jointer firmly and apply consistent, even pressure. Guide the tool smoothly along the mortar joint, ensuring you cover the entire length. For a seamless look, slightly overlap each stroke as you move across the wall. Remember to clean your jointer frequently to prevent mortar buildup, which can create uneven lines. Practice makes perfect, so take your time and enjoy the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.